Check if it is safe. Check consciousness by gently shaking the shoulders and speaking to the child. If the child does not respond, call 112 immediately. Place one hand on the child's forehead and 2 fingertips under the tip of the chin and open the airway by tilting the head back slightly. Look, listen and feel for normal breathing for up to 10 seconds. If the child is not breathing normally, give 5 breaths. Reopen the airway. Pinch the soft part of the nose shut with your thumb and forefinger. Place your lips firmly around the child's mouth and blow in for 1 second until the chest rises. Give a total of 5 breaths. Connect the AED as soon as it's available.
Apply pads to bare chest. Press pads firmly.
For children who cannot be easily turned onto their side, place one AED pad on the chest directly below the right collarbone, close to the center of the chest. Place the other pad under the left armpit.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Shock advised. The AED is charging. Press the flashing button to deliver a shock. Shock delivered. Start CPR.
Chest compressions for a child over 1 year of age can be performed using either 1 or 2 hands. Place the heel of one hand on the center of the chest. Place the heel of the other hand on top of the first and hook the fingers of both hands together. Keep your arms straight and perpendicular above your chest. Press the chest at least 1/3 of the front to back diameter at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute. After 15 chest compressions, give 2 breaths. Continue alternating between 15 chest compressions and 2 breaths. If a second first aider is present, take turns every 2 minutes.